Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
If you want to focus on music, you may be best with a pair of wired over-ears that offer the perfect balance of musicality and precision. If you want to add technology to mix, you could opt for Audiophile cans that combine state-of-the-art noise-canceling tech with state-of-the-art sound.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
These Grado over-ear headphones are a masterpiece. Even if their retro shell doesn't appeal, their gloriously musical output almost certainly will. Its open-back design creates a clear, light sound with well-organized layers that deliver an energetic, rhythmical sound. And while those 360-degree rotating ear cups might look a little old-fashioned, they're a delight to wear. They're not cheap, but these great cans are worth every penny. There's only one downside though. Its open-back cups leak some sound, so they're not ideal for office use. Its headband can easily be adjusted with a sliding mechanism, and although without cushioning, it feels surprisingly lightweight on the head. If you're serious about sound quality and they fit your budget, what are you waiting for?
The next option is one of the best sounding models out there.
Closed-back headphones can suffer from distortion issues, but that's not the case with the brilliant Sennheiser HD820 headphones. Sennheiser has cunningly fixed that problem, using a combination of Gorilla Glass and sound-absorbing chambers to prevent sound waves from bouncing back into the drivers. The result? A stunning level of agility and precision. Impressive authority in the low frequencies, and expertly controlled bass. Of course, these over-ears are a serious investment, but if you're serious about the music, they'll transform your home listening experience. The rest of the headphones are typically Sennheiser. They're classy and well-made, built sturdily enough to last for years. The materials used, from the plastics on the ear cup to the metal on the headband and microfiber ear pad, feel durable as well.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
Amarons aren't the kind of headphones that grab your attention on a short listen, but give them a bit of time and their impressive transparency and resolution are sure to please. They're comfortable too, with nicely judged ear pads and sensible weight. You'll need a good quality source and recordings to hear them at their best though, so don't be tempted to skimp. Beyerdynamics Amaron headphones provide an impressive sound that takes the whole frequency range in its stride with everything in place. We also like their clear mid-range vocals, tight timing, and the remarkable way to handle challengingly messy songs. They're hard to beat at this price.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
If you're looking for affordable audiophile headphones, you're in luck. This is no fancy electronics here, since Grado is a company that's all about the music. Oozing with detail and clarity, they offer a dynamic sound that's hard to beat at this price point. Natural without sounding raw, they elevate almost any genre of music, from electro to easy listening. One thing to note, that open-backed design is here again, which means they aren't best suited to commutes. And the foam ear cups aren't the plushest. Still, while the SR80Es look a little retro, they deliver cutting-edge performance. Not everyone is going to fall in love with the Grado SR80Es though. They're not the most relaxing listen, and some won't like the uncompromising nature of the mid-range they present. But clarity, relative to the price, is excellent.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
Do you want audiophile sound quality and noise canceling? Look no further. The open, spacious delivery of XM4 Sony provides plenty of room for vocals and instruments to soar. They're rich in detail and tech though, with all manner of bells and whistles, including access to your chosen voice assistant and a fast-charging battery. A 10-minute charge provides 5 hours of use. Are you worried the noise-canceling technology might interfere with the authenticity of your favorite analog recording? You can switch it off or tweak the level of noise canceling via the app as well. XM4s provide you a fantastic, wire-free audiophile experience.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
These are essentially a closed-back version of the Focal Utopias. That means you get Focal's trademark incredible sound quality, but with a more practical design. Because they're closed back, everyone around you won't hear what you're listening to, and, crucially, they won't let in sounds from your surroundings. In other words, if you're feeling brave, you could take them out and about without compromising on the listening experience. Sonically, they're refined and mature and handle dynamics with authority. They can't quite match the Utopia's performance, but the more practical closed-back design gives them a bit more appeal. They're a little cheaper, too.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
These plush, closed-back over-ears are nicely crafted from premium materials, such as aluminum and carbon fiber. They're lightweight and feature ear cups swathed in soft alcantara, making them ideal for extended late-night listening sessions. Beneath the ear cups lie 40mm neodymium drivers, making for impressive dynamics, elegant presentation, and surprising detail. Naturally musical, they're superb value for money and an excellent choice for the audiophile. Comfortably enveloping and roomy inside, they're the sort you could fall asleep wearing, and they make the perfect company to carry you through album after album. Also, flexible and easily stretchable, they'll comfortably accommodate any head size.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.